developing tonight. CBS 46 working to find out why a top city official was fired today by Atlanta Mayor Kasim Reed and whether that move could be linked to that bribery scandal involving $1 million at least in exchange for city contracts. Adam Smith, the man in charge of procurements for Atlanta, that's the process of accepting bids for city contract work, he was relieved of his duties. The 9 Team's Mike Dunstan is live at City Hall. Mike, you tried to track down Smith today. You also talked with an expert who had some interesting insight into today's developments. What are they saying?
Yeah, that's right, Ben. And the former FBI agent told me it's kind of like a mystery novel. And today, another page turned. I took a trip to Adam Smith's Southwest Atlanta home to try to get his side of the story. But either no one was home or they just weren't answering the front door.
Recognize him?
No.
A few houses down, Hillary Peters told me she doesn't know Smith. Other neighbors who do refuse to talk on camera.
No, we don't really know what happened.
But CBS 46 does know this, that her neighbor's dismissal comes after federal officials served a subpoena in his City Hall office for some equipment, perhaps computers or hard drives. Adam Smith was responsible for all city purchasing matters. We're talking billions of dollars in public contracts. We've seen Smith's signature on the contracts that Mayor Kasim Reed released in the corruption scandal involving E.R. Mitchell and Charles Richards. Richards, seen here in the red tie, pleaded guilty to trying to pay upfront money to obtain city contracts. His business partner Mitchell pleaded guilty in the alleged pay-to-play scheme last month. It's important to note Adam Smith has not been charged with anything and will be monitoring federal court records to see if anything changes.
He's a key official, and he was let go, and he's in the middle of what we otherwise know to be a serious and significant bribery case. Certainly, it's extremely coincidental, if not worse.
That's attorney and forensic accountant Vic Hartman. He isn't associated with this case, but as a former FBI agent of 25 years, he wouldn't be surprised if his former colleagues have inserted undercover agents, wiretapping, and surveillance to make their case.
You work your way up from the least culpable, the contractors, to the most culpable, which is the government official. It now seems we're making steps closer to inside the government. We don't know if somebody in the government will be charged or how far it will go, but these are the next logical steps.
Adam Smith is a lawyer and had been employed here at City Hall for more than a dozen years. You can count on us to keep you up to the minute on these fast-moving developments. We're live at City Hall in downtown Atlanta. Mike Dunstan, CBS 46 News, Night Team.